guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in the car again this week. I decided to come with Lynn to work today to get some editing done without being stuck in the house and just to get some dunking. So let's just jump right in. This is the 19-week bump date. Just gonna dive right into the reoccurring symptoms. No new symptoms this week, just 2 reoccurring symptoms. The burping is back, and well, the frequent peeing never left, but you know, it's steadily becoming more and more often and waking me up at night, so there's that. And then I have an update on the eczema that I have been getting during my pregnancy. I told you guys that I wanted to use something natural, and I actually found it by accident. I was at the tattoo convention about 2 or 3 weeks ago here in Atlanta, and there was a booth there selling this lotion by Hawaiian Moon Aloe Cream. I don't have it on me now, but I will put a picture up here somewhere. I didn't get a very big jar because I didn't know if it would actually do everything that it said it would do, because it does claim to have helped with many skin issues, but they are actually customer claims, so I guess that makes them more believable. I know I can say that they have helped me tremendously with the eczema on the backs and fronts of my hands. For both outbreaks on the back of my hands, I have been able to get rid of it within a week, and on the front of my hand I did have a breakout, and when it finally dried out, I was able to use that to get it to, you know, peel the dead skin off quicker. I've started using it on the eczema on my feet as well, and that has helped with that dryness, and has actually made some of the rough patches go away when they develop, so that's another plus. So this has really been helping me with my eczema. I'm so happy to have found something natural, not any medication. I don't have to go for a prescription. I just now have to get online to order another jar, because I did get the very small travel size jar for $5, because it was about $30 for the regular size jar, and then $60 for the large jar. But I can say this really does help. It claims to help with a lot of other things, from just simple dry skin to things like my eczema and and even acne I've seen. So there's that. I do recommend it. I think you should give it a try if you have any of the skin issues that the website claims, and I will also put that right here below. And that's pretty much it for this week's update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as comment, and I will see you in the next video.